A team of archaeologists made a remarkable discovery in a temple dating back to the 1st century AD in Cupra Marittima, Italy. Step back in time and imagine yourself standing in front of a grand temple steeped in history and wonder. The grandeur of the Roman Empire comes alive as you gaze upon the intricate carvings and majestic architecture that stood the test of time. But this is not just a figment of your imagination, it's a real-life discovery. This is a once-in-a-lifetime chance not just to witness history, but to uncover the secrets and splendor of ancient Rome. Join us in an adventure that will stay with you forever. Let's embark on a journey of discovery and be part of a history as we unveil this new finding in the ancient temple in Cupra Marittima. But before we begin, we need to stop you just for a moment. We don't want you to miss out on any of the action. That's why we are asking you to subscribe to our channel right now. We know you'll be amazed by the architecture of the ancient temple and join us on this journey of discovery. Deep beneath the earth, they uncover the stunning remains of a Roman temple dating back over 2,000 years. As they delved deeper into the excavation, they were met with a sight rarely seen in the world of archaeology: well-preserved wall fragments adorned with vibrant, intricate frescoes. Imagine the awe of the team as they uncovered a sky blue ceiling with walls painted in a striking combination of yellow, red, black, and white squares, separated by images of candelabras and garlands, with green bands of color running horizontally. It is important to note that such intact ancient painted walls are incredibly rare. Paint is usually not preserved over time due to factors such as humidity and improper excavation techniques. But the state of preservation and integrity of these frescoes is truly astonishing. The use of bright colors, particularly the sky blue and pinkish red paint, is quite exceptional when compared to the traditional red paint used in ancient times. This suggests that the temple was quite rich and may have been associated with a specific goddess, possibly Cupra, an Etruscan goddess later incorporated into Roman religion. As we see the image with the dig site, with the archaeologists carefully removing the dirt to reveal the ancient frescoes. Despite the temple being mostly destroyed over time, the podium and the staircase leading to the entrance have miraculously survived. The rest of the temple has been reduced to fragments, lying 1 meter or 3 feet below the ground. This type of degradation also occurred in ancient times while the temple was still in use. For instance, Emperor Hadrian likely ordered a complete renovation of the temple as part of its many renovation projects in the Roman Empire during his reign from 117 to 138 AD. As many feared that the temple might collapse due to structural damage possibly caused by aging or natural disaster. Hadrian is thought to have ordered the temple to have its painted walls carved off and covered in marble to make the structure stronger. This process pulverized the original colored sections, but they were later used as base for the new floors, which explains why the fragments recovered have been so well preserved. Hadrian also added 9-meter-high columns with ornate capitals, semicolons, and lion-headed roof dripstones, some parts of which have never been found. He also built 2 brick arches that still stand beside the temple. This discovery not only gives us a glimpse into the past, but also opens up new avenues for research and understanding of the ancient world. But unfortunately, the temple of Cupra Marittima, a once place of worship and awe for the people of the Roman Empire, suffered a big setback. In the 19th century, the temple's marbles and columns were brutally knocked down to be used as building materials. The temple walls were also demolished to make room for a rural house. The house was built using part of the sanctuary walls, but it was later abandoned, leaving the temple in ruins. The destruction of the temple is a poignant reminder of how our actions can have a lasting impact on the world and our cultural heritage. This act of desecration is a sad and unfortunate event in history. The temple may be in ruins, but its legacy and beauty will live forever as we uncover more about it. We should strive to preserve and protect our cultural heritage for future generations to appreciate and learn from. As a philosopher once said, Those who cannot remember their history are condemned to repeat it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share with your friends. Help us to spread awareness about the importance of preserving our cultural heritage. Thank you for joining us on this journey throughout history. We will see you on the next one. Tibi gratias ago, pro vigilabo.